Hello everybody, we are on the road again. It's time for another road trip. We are leaving rainy, cold Indiana and we are heading to Florida. We are going to Disney World. Just the two grown-ups. Will and I are heading out and we are driving as we always do. We should be in Orlando area tomorrow. We are actually outrunning a winter storm right now, so we are trying to stay where it's not freezing rain and snowing yet. So hopefully we'll be able to do that. But to come along with us as we take an adults trip to Disney and hang out at the beach club and just check out the parks grown-up style. Five hours in, and we are in traffic.
Are we 5 hours in?
Yeah, because the clock has changed.
Oh man.
It's really 5:30 from where we left.
Oh my
We are
gosh.
just outside of Nashville. We should already be through Nashville by now, but this is how it works. It is just after 7 o'clock. We woke up extra early for some reason, and we are headed out. We stopped just south of Chattanooga, and we always stay in Hilton. So this is a True by Hilton. It was a nice night's sleep. We got up early. Somehow it's not even light out yet, but we're headed on to Disney World. Let's see if we can find some sunshine. Making it through Atlanta. Still rainy. So foggy, you can't see the tops of the buildings. We did it! We made it to Orlando. Our first stop is going to be here at the Vineland Outlet Mall at the Disney Character Warehouse to get our Disney on first before we check into our room. So let's see what they've got in stock. We made it! Let's go inside and see what's happening. Hang on. Want any Halloween stuff?
Yeah, I don't know.
This would be the little kids stuff.
Bag clips?
They're cute. Only $5.99. Chip clips. What is this? It's a paperweight.
It is a magnet bottle opener.
This is cute. Apron.
Oh, this is a journal. This is really
Make it look like a
VHS.
VHS tape?
Yeah.
That's funny. These are cute. School supplies. Here's scissors I think Lincoln could have.
Yeah.
They are plastic. Runaway train whistle. These are the boy shirts, I guess. Oh. I like the Nemo shirt.
They're all small.
I like this one. And this is cute.
Yeah, that was cool.
This is Christmas. Baby outfit. Cute. Lots of Halloween.
Figment bucket or something.
Yes, those are in the parks now.
Hmm.
$14.99. Well, we did it. First Disney purchase down. Our vacation has officially started. We are getting gas at the gas station right now near the mall, and then we are headed to the beach club to check in. We will let you know how it goes and see you when we get there. Bye. We made it. We made it to our room. We are at the beach club. We have already kind of moved in and settled down. We're about to head downstairs and grab some dinner. We just mobile ordered from the marketplace here, and we may stroll around the boardwalk for a little bit. We don't have anything to do this evening, so come with us and we'll go get some dinner. Here's our room. I'll give you a little room tour. So after you walk in, it's just a standard room. So you have the coffee and mini fridge area down here. You walk in and it's just 2 queen beds, bathroom here on the left, closet on the right, a strange man in the bathroom. And yeah, we've already moved in our stuff. So this is always the nice part when you come in and get to hear the music, because it's like, it reminds you that you're at Disney World. Got a little desk and our beds. Here's, oh, you moved it.
What?
This. We have our Mickey towels. Cute. The only other thing is out this way. We are on the 3rd floor. So we have, it's dark out, not much to see, but we do have a little balcony. I'll show you more of this in the morning when there's light, but that's what it looks like from our little beach club room. Now it's time to go get dinner. made it outside with our dinner. We're gonna sit on a bench, we're gonna people watch, and we're going to watch the boats and the boardwalk and eat our dinner. It's really nice outside, the weather's good, there's a little breeze. Here is where we stayed the last time. We had that whole top floor presidential suite at the beach club because of our leak situation. If you haven't checked it out, go look at my other videos where we give a tour. That whole top floor was super fun and very nice view. That's where we stayed before. But alas, we are not staying there this time. Time to eat dinner. What'd you get, Will?
A gigantic bowl of macaroni and cheese with pulled pork on top of it, and also goldfish.
Is it good?
Very
So
good.
far?
Mm-hmm.
All right. I got the
It's
chicken,
like fair food.
chicken dinner. We'll see how that tastes. Well, we have already changed into our jammies. We're back after dinner. We had an early morning today, so I think we're gonna call it a night. That is the end of day one, our travel section of the journey. And tomorrow we'll get up, and I think we're heading to Epcot. So we'll see how early we get up tomorrow and what we end up doing. Tomorrow is actually, the reason we came down here was for a friend's wedding. They're getting married in the area, so we thought we would take this opportunity to come to Disney. Tomorrow's actually the wedding, so we will be doing a shorter park day, getting ready for the wedding. So anyway, hope you enjoyed day one. If you listen really closely, you might be able to hear some of the Epcot music, but it's not quite fireworks time yet. But we're gonna just hunker down and chill for the evening, and we'll be back in the morning. Bye.